Hello, everyone. We are now in the second part of our lecture on the topic Communicating Your Employment Opportunities for the course on Recruitment and Selection. This is your professor, Danny Kabulay. So if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe and kindly hit the notification button so you will be receiving alerts every time we have a new video. So let's try to define what exactly is job specification. Job specification refers to a list of desirable attributes or characteristics of a position in a particular company. So that means we'd like to find out who is best fit or most qualified to occupy a particular job position. Characteristics or attributes pertain to qualifications in terms of education, work experience, license if applicable, professional license, and training. Now, there is also what you call KSAs or knowledge, skills, and attitudes that are desirable for a particular position title. And there's also personality. So personality refers to appearance, perhaps the height also, and maybe the weight. Yes, in some cases, weight is necessary, and health condition. Okay, so those are what we mean by characteristics. Job specification may be written as part of the job description or it could be a separate document. It is advisable to place a rationale to explain well the justification for such enumerated requirements for a particular position. It is important to state the rationale and the characteristics clearly to avoid confusion, prevent allegations of discrimination, and in order not to mislead prospective job applicants. So let's try to look at a particular case. We will call it the big girls at Polaner Brauhaus. Well, the accompanying PowerPoint slides will tell you that there are companies that hire unique employees. Okay? So this pertains to a German microbrewery in Singapore called Polaner Brauhaus. So they're they're trying to recruit F&B attendants, food and beverage attendants for their microbrewery. Notice that the HR department prefers what you call plus size men and women. Yung medyo may katabaan, medyo plump, medyo malusog, yan. To serve as F&B attendants. So they'll be serving food and drinks at the said outlet. Okay? Why does a bar restaurant like Polaner Brauhaus prefer slightly overweight men and women instead of the typical sexy or the possibly skinny waitresses and waiters found in similar establishments? Bakit kaya mas gusto nila yung medyo mataba? Okay? Ayaw nila ng mga slim. Can you guess the reason? Okay. Now, you see, the job specifications for Polaner Brauhaus's F&B attendant requires that, this is it states that it's an important frontline and guest contact position in the restaurant that serves as the face of the company. So they represent the company. So it should look like a German national. So you see sa Germany, yung mga nagsiserve ng mga drinks during Oktoberfest, the biggest festival in Germany, medyo plump, medyo, big mama type of women. So that's the kind of personality they're trying to mimic, okay? The German F&B attendants serving beer during Oktoberfest, okay? Now, the company wanted to revive the concept of the German tradition of jolly nature and mature, slightly plump German women serving beer during the Oktoberfest. Notice the requirements for knowledge, skills, and attitudes. Example, singing and dancing and cheering, So they're always cheerful and always smiling and very service oriented. Okay? Question now. These are the two questions you need to answer. Do you think Paul Lanner Brohouse has a good recruitment policy? Yes or no? And kindly explain in the comments section. Okay? Second question. What are your thoughts about the job specification of F&B attendants? Are they reasonable? Or if not, do you have any suggestion? So those are the questions you need to answer. Okay? So stay tuned for the next video, the third part of this topic. Okay? So stay tuned for the next one. Bye!